Have you ever looked at your phone and thought, why do these colors look so dull or too harsh? Well, you're not crazy. Your display might need calibration. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to instantly boost your screen's clarity, color, and comfort. Not just on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, but on all other Android phones and even iPhones. So don't scroll away. Whether you're a gamer, a movie lover, or just tired of uh, tired looking colors, you're about to learn a super useful phone trick that will make your eyes and your content thank you. All right. So step by step, start by opening your settings app, settings here, and then scroll and tap on display. This is display. Open the screen mode. On Samsung phones like this phone, you will see something called screen mode. Screen mode, this one, tap on it. Here you will see two main options, vivid and natural. Vivid and natural. Adjust or if you select vivid, for example, if I select vivid, this is natural and this is vivid. If you select vivid, you get the punchier, more saturated colors, perfect for gaming and videos. If you choose natural, the screen shows more accurate, eye-friendly colors, great for reading or editing. Here is a cool part. If you're on vivid, tap the advanced settings. You'll be able to adjust the white balance and the RGB sliders, the red, green, blue, to personalize your screen just the way you like it. You can play with this, right? Okay, now if you're using Tecno, like if you're on other end for other Android, the process is almost the same, but the wording might be different. So on phones like Infinix or Tecno, or you open settings, display, color style, or eye care, you see options like standard, vivid, soft, or even custom. Try each and see which suits your eye best. On OnePlus, go to settings, display, screen calibration. There you can pick between AMOLED, white cameras, natural, sRGB, and more. iPhone users, go to settings, accessibility, display and text size, and color filters. While you can change screen mode like Android, you can adjust filters and true tone in display settings, under settings, display, and brightness. So here is why this isn't just a fancy trick. If your colors are off, you're straining your eyes, misjudging colors in photos, or even killing battery life with overly bright tones. Calibrating your screen helps with eye strain, boosts battery performance, and gives you a cinematic viewing experience tailored just for you. So if this helped your eyes or your content pop a little more, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who always complains about their phone screen, and of course subscribe for more tech tips like this. I've got more practical tutorials coming, all tested, easy, and made for any phone user out there. See you in the next one.